Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will see the new chapter, drug use in respiratory disorders. Now the first, drug use in the treatment of cough. Drug use in the treatment of cough. Cough is a common now. Weather is change all of a sudden. You can take a cold water. The cough is formation take place. The cough is a productive. It should be the protective in the respiratory tract. Is having the large sputum. The sputum, that the cough is removed from the body, and the sticky material that is having the greenish or yellowish sticky material, that is called the sputum. Marathi is called as bedka. One stroke can remove from the lungs. The cough, it's a very common. Now the cough is a protective reflex. Now the cough is a protective reflex. Protective reflex which help to remove the irritant matter from respiratory tract. Which help to remove irritant matter removed respiratory tract. Now see, the cough formation take place is removed from the lungs. Sometimes some irritant material is there, the stick up in your, it should be having in the lungs. It can be the remove. That's why it's called the protective reflex. What is a cough? Cough is a protective reflex which help to remove irritant matter from the respiratory tract. That's why called as a cough is a protective. Cough may be protective. Cough may be protective associated with, it is a protective associated with large volume of sputum, that is yellowish, greenish, somewhat sticky material, that the sputum, Marathi called bedka. One stroke it's removed from the lungs. It is cough, it is a protective associated with the large volume of the sputum. Or dry cough, that is without much sputum. Okay. It's a cup associated, protective associated large volume of sputum. Dry cup that without sputum. They don't have the, it's an allergic cough. Sometimes they are having the change, cough formation not take place but irritating in the respiratory tract, and then you are feeling as a dry cough, khasi. The main cause of the main cause of cough the main cause of cough are infection, of any part of respiratory tract, any part of the respiratory tract. Another, it may be caused due to the other disease. The initially cough formation should take for the other disease, such as, which are these diseases? These are the asthma, tuberculosis. Such disease cause initially their symptoms show the formation of cough and lung cancer. Don't ignore it. You are suffering the cough. It is not removed. It is not recovered within 8 to 10 days. Show the physicians, because it's so dangerous. The cough is the main cause by the infections on the respiratory tract of the any part of the respiratory tract. Along with that, you may be suffering from the other diseases, such as these are disease asthma, dama, formation of cough, weather is change, all of it has sudden the formation of the cough take place, sputum is formation, and you may be, your feeling is the breathlessness, dam lagta apne ko. Tuberculosis, that is the first symptoms. Formation of cough is a tuberculosis, TB, and the lung cancers. The drug used, now see, that is a cough. How they cause? They are causing the infection, and the because of the other, these are the all very dangerous diseases. Medicine is available, but very dangerous. Now Corona, COVID is going on. Be careful about all guys. During the COVID period, maintain the social distancing. Wear the mask compulsory. Don't, because of the they are very rapidly. COVID is spread nowadays very rapidly. You see, everybody having his own responsibility to take care. You and your family. Don't ignore it. Now in the COVID is cough formation take place, common cold, cough, and the temperature. These are the symptoms of COVID. Nowadays COVID is a non-symptomatic. Wear the mask. Okay. Now the drug effective in the drug. Which are the drugs? Drug effective in the cough. Okay, now which are the drugs? Now the first, the suppression. The suppression of the cough center in the body. Those are the cough center. They are the suppressant. The common drug are used. Generally, suppressant drug are used. Opioids, allergy is created, antihistamine. Now these are sometimes the cough formation of the allergy, that use the antihistamine and local anesthetic. And the local anesthetics. Now the cough suppressant. The drug used What is the cough suppressant? Now these are the drug. Now second, now these are drug use. Now first see the category. Afterward you can discuss. Local action on the pharynx and larynx. Example, glycyrrhiza. Glycyrrhiza syrup, Linctus, glycerine. Local action of the pharynx and the larynx is having the, आप बोलते हो उसको थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन हो गया थोड़ा like that is happened, that time we can use the glycyrrhiza syrup, Linctus. So many Linctus are available in the market, and the glycerine. Now the last, expectorant, most important, the expectorant. Example of the expectorant are ammonium salt, potassium, ammonium salt, potassium salt, Vasaka alkaloids, Vasaka alkaloids, balsam of tallow. Vasaka, that called the Adursa. Leaf of Adursa, you can do the that extra leaf, you can take the extraction, काढ़ा करके पियो वसाका का, अडूसा का लीफ, उसमें जेस्टमट डालो, लवंग डालो, तुलसी के पन्ने डालो और गुड़ डालो और उसका काढ़ा पियो, that you are getting the relief of the cough. Sputum easily remove one stroke of the cough. These are the protective form. These are the sticky materials. Sputum easily remove when you can take the Vasaka leaf. That may be called in Marathi Adursa. Balsam of the tallow. Terpene hydrate. Now the expectorant. Now the expectorant means क्या? What do you mean by the expectorant? Expectorant, the agent which decrease the viscosity, the agent which decrease the viscosity of bronchial secretion. These are the agent in the expectorant. They decrease the viscosity of bronchial secretions. It's called as the expectorant. इसको बोलते हैं, is called as the expectorant. That agent always reduce the viscosity. Now you can see now the cough suppressant. First, cough suppressant, you may be called as the antitussive. The antitussive and expectorant is totally different. So many people make a confusion. So many times you can say the drug are used to remove the cough from the body. These are called as the expectorant. That is wrong. The agent which decrease the viscosity of bronchial secretions, then that called as the expectorant. And the suppressant, the cough suppressant, the drug of this group suppress the dry irritant cough. The drug of this group are used to suppress dry irritating, suppress उसको दबा देने का, suppress the dry irritating cough. They may be used in the combination of expectorant. The cough suppressant may be used in the combination of expectorant. They are produce a synergism effect, good effect. Now the opioid alkaloids, you can write down the cough suppressant is a opioids. Opioid alkaloids is a best example of the opioids. Opioids, opium alkaloids is base example of the cough suppressant. They are most commonly used. For example, codeine. So many cough suppressant bottle having the codeine phosphate, they are suppress the cough. They having the what is the codeine are used in treatment of cough suppressant. They are used in the for cough suppressant in the cough, but they don't is having the less constipation effect as compared to morphine. Constipation effect is less. Opium alkaloids having the constipation effect. They are having the major adverse effect, the constipation effect. It don't observe the tolerance and the drug dependence. The codeine linctors are used commonly, but it is cough suppressor. Codeine is contraindicated in the treatment of asthma. It is never used. The codeine is contraindicated asthmatic patient. Most important. So many times question asked, write down the following drug contraindications. Write down the codeine is contraindicated in the asthmatic patient. Another example, pilocodeine as the cough suppressor. Pilocodeine. Similar property the codeine, but he is having the less analgesic effect. Morphine you can use. Another example, morphine. It is antitussive. Okay. Another example of that, noscapine. It is opium alkaloids. It is opium. Noscapine is a opium of alkaloids. Is having the good muscle relaxant property. Good muscle relaxant effect. It acts as a antitussive effect. It does not have constipation effect. Constipation effect. addiction does not occur. So many times they are used. Okay. Now the another example of same ethyl morphine. Ethyl morphine, similar to the codeine. It is similar to the codeine phosphate. Similar to the codeine phosphate. Okay. Now the next drug, antihistamine. These are the drug commonly used prevention for the allergy. Histamine, next category of antihistamine. The antihistamine. Antihistamine are the drug, the prevention for the histamine. Histamine, you know the histamine. Histamine is generate the allergy. That allergy should be the blocked by the antihistamine drugs commonly. आप बोलते कॉमन कोल्ड हो गया, सर्दी हो गई, कफ है, नॉट फीलिंग वेल, व्हाट हैपन, यू कैन यूज द एंटीहिस्टामाइन. द ड्रग कॉमनली यूज diphenhydramine, another drug, promethazine. And other drugs, so many drugs is there, etc. They are used along with the antitussive or expectorant. They are using the combination. This is along with the expectorant or antitussive in the combination, and the expectorant also having the antihistaminic drugs. Okay. Now these are the example. Now the other example category, the local anesthetic. The local anesthetic. Now the local anesthetic, insoluble local anesthetics such as कौन से भाई, benzoate and oxalamine insoluble local anesthetics such as benzoate and oxalamine then synthesize the stretch receptor they are considered to be useful in the cough. See how the local anesthetic use. They are the insoluble local anesthetic benzoate and oxalamine. They are used in the stretch receptor. They consider useful in treatment of the cough. Okay. Now the locally acting cough. Now these are the first. Now the second, locally acting drugs. This commonly is available. That is irritation to the, it caused by irritation to the pharynx and the larynx. Irritability is occur pharynx and the larynx. Pharynx and larynx is a common cause of persistent cough. They caused by persistent cough. irritation to the larynx and the pharynx is occur. In the commonly used in the local acting drugs are administered. Which are the drug are administered in local actings? Syrups are used. Glycyrrhiza, good example. Glycyrrhiza syrup is a common. They are most effective in treatment of the local acting larynx and the pharynx. Is most effective. These are the most effective for the affected in the larynx and the pharynx. Irritation, the cough, sugar candies. Sometimes you can use the lozenges. Now you are also use the lozenges. These are used in the for the local acting. Now the last, expectorant. A drug which reduces the viscosity of bronchial secretion are called as expectorant. Okay, it is most effective in the treatment of cough caused by irritations. The cough formation takes place by irritations. It is most useful in such cough. They are act by directly. It should be expectorant is act by directly or reflexly okay, or both method or both methods. Now example, sometime you can use the volatile oil. Now you can use the volatile oil, use eucalyptus oil, anise, lemon, or orally or inhalation. You can take inhalation, you are take by the steam and increase the respiratory secretion in the direct action. See, the volatile oil is act on the direct action. You are take orally or by inhalation. It goes to the direct action. Steam you can take. Inhalation means you can take the eucalyptus oil. You are use the volatile oil. Which are the volatile? Eucalyptus oil, Nilgiri, eucalyptus, anise, and the lemon. Commonly use these. You can take direct, orally you can take, or sometimes you can inhalation. Inhalation you can take the steam, and they produce the direct action. Okay. Now see the another, the mucolytic agent. Avoid to formation of the mucus. The drug are used in treatment. Drug are used like bromohexine, acetyl cysteine, methyl cysteine, and also liquefy the sputum and facilitate to the expectorations. Mucolytic drug are used to liquefy the sputum and facilitate the expectorations. Okay, now the last, bronchodilators, most important. Expectorant are different and the bronchodilator are different. The bronchodilator are useful in the treatment of cough, in the presence of bronchoplasm. Most important, in the presence of bronchoplasms, means having the pains occur the bronchial smooth muscles during the cough, and such time you can use the bronchodilators. And the bronchodilators are, example, salbutamol, common use. Most you can use the acetylene spray that having the salbutamol, isoperinylene, ephedrine, oxyperinylene. These are the common use as a bronchodilator. Is the most common use. They get relief from the cough and the bronchoplasms. Bronchodilators are used to dilate the bronchial smooth muscle, is directly act on the beta 2 receptor, and they act in the beta 2 receptor and they dilate the smooth muscle, bronchial smooth muscle. They are dilated and you free from the bronchoplasms. And these are the salbutamol, isoperinylene, ephedrine, oxyperinylene. Sometimes you can use in the such infection for cough control. You can use anti-effective agents, means antibiotic are used for in the controlling the cough. Ceftaxime injections is there. Is available. Okay, thank you. Now the cough. These are the drug used in treatment of cough. One topic is over. Next time we will see the treatment of asthma. Okay. Thank you.